Okay, so I just wanted to show you something cool. This is Ozzie and Pip. Sorry, Ozzie. That is a bunch of wheatgrass that I've started to grow for them. Just take wheat berries and you sprout them in your sprouting jar, and after a few days they really have grown, the grass. Pip's liking to grab the actual wheat berries themselves, and Ozzie has been eating the grass. They were doing a lot better before I got the camera. Let's put this clump back. Look at this clump. Look at that clump. That's I started that on Sunday and this is Wednesday. So that's how big that's grown in just that many days. I think I started it on Sunday. What'd you say, Ozzie? Telling me what I did? See, Ozzie's liking the grass. Pip's going to pull the whole thing over in a second. But I'm thinking I'm going to break it into littler clumps, put it in the feed dishes. The seed dishes of all the English budgies, especially that are gone to nest right now. Some of my English budgie pairs have eggs. And this is so nutritious and energizing for people too. I'm making these for my peeps as well as my peeps. Just making all kinds of sprouts lately for the birds and the humans. They're so good for you. There's enzymes in those living growing sprouts. If you can get your birds to eat them, they are the simplest thing to do. There's many videos on the YouTube of how to do sprouts, but basically you need a jar with a little screen top on it. Maybe I'll make a video on how I do that. Yes, when I get somebody to hold the camera for me, maybe. It's so easy, and you can sprout all sorts of things. This is the wheat berries. I sprout alfalfa and sunflower seeds, red clover, broccoli seeds, radish seeds, mung beans, and down it goes. Well, we're going to turn it off when I pick it up, but sprouts, your birds will love them.